As you might expect for a technology so expensive and ever-changing, it is impossible to credit the invention of the internet to a single person. The internet was the work of dozens of pioneering scientists, programmers, and engineers who each developed new features and technologies that eventually merged to become the information superhighway. Long before the technology existed to actually build the internet, many scientists had already anticipated the existence of a worldwide network of information. Nikola Tesla toyed with the idea of a world wireless system in the early 1900s, and visionary thinkers like Paul Otlet and Vannevar Bush conceived of mechanized searchable storage system of books and media in the 1930s and 1940s. The first practical schematic for the internet would not arrive until the early 1960s, when MIT's J.C. Ehrlich later popularized the idea of an intergalactic network of computers. Shortly thereafter, computer scientists developed the concept of packet switching, a method for effectively transmitting electronic data that would later become one of the major building blocks of the internet. First workable prototype of the internet came in the late 1960s with the creation of ARPANET, or the Advanced Research Project Agency Network, originally funded by the U.S. Department of Defense. ARPANET used packet switching to allow multiple computers to communicate on a single network. On October 29, 1969, ARPANET delivered its first message, a node-to-node communication from one computer to another. The first computer was located in a research lab at UCLA, and the second was at Stanford. Each one was the size of a small house. The message login was short and simple, but it crashed the fledgling ARPANET network anyway. The Stanford computer only received the node's first two letters. The technology continued to grow in the 1970s after scientists Robert Kahn and Vinton Cerf developed Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol, a communication model that set into standards for how data could be transmitted between multiple networks. ARPANET adopted Internet Protocol on January 1, 1983, and from there researchers began to assemble the network of networks that became the modern Internet. The online world then took on a more recognizable form in 1919 when computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web. While it's often confused with the internet itself, the web is actually just the most common means of accessing data online in the form of websites and hyperlinks. The web helped popularize the internet among the public and served as a crucial step in the developing the vast trove of information that most of us now access on a daily basis. Now I think you got the knowledge of the inventor of internet, so please stay tuned, subscribe this channel, and also like this video.